Hello friends, welcome in your physics class. For complete course, press subscribe button and bell icon and watch our videos regularly. Every system consists of large number of molecules and these molecules are in a state of random disordered motion. The energy associated with these random disordered motion of molecules of system is called internal energy of that system. आसान शब्दों में internal energy का मतलब molecular energy of the system. Look at the water on the screen. So it is at rest. So its kinetic energy must be zero. Its potential energy can also be zero. But this is macroscopic observation. Microscopic observation reveals different story. The molecules are still in motion within the liquid. They must have some molecular energy. And this molecular energy is nothing but internal energy of the system, that is water. According to kinetic theory of gases, argon, being a monoatomic molecule, must have internal energy 3 by 2 kT. And oxygen, being diatomic molecule, must have internal energy as 5 by 2 kT. Here K is Boltzmann constant and capital T is absolute temperature. Now let us understand thermodynamic system with a simple example. If a glass of water is offered to you when you are thirsty, your interest lies only in water, not in a glass. It means that the water is a system and rest of the things are surrounding. A thermodynamic system is a collection or a group of objects that can form a unit, which may have ability to exchange energy with its surrounding. For example, water is a system and rest of the things including beaker is surrounding. There are three different types of systems: open system, closed system, and isolated system. Let us first consider open system. An open system is a system that freely allows exchange of energy and matter with its surrounding. For example, water boiling in an open vessel. Here, water is a system and rest of the part is its surrounding. During the process, heat is exchanged between the water and its surrounding. At the same time, matter in the form of steam is also exchanged between the system and surrounding. So दोस्तों समझ में आ गया? जहाँ एनर्जी और मैटर दोनों का आदान प्रदान सिस्टम और सराउंडिंग के साथ होता है उसे हम कहेंगे ओपन सिस्टम. क्लियर? The second type of system is a closed system. In a closed system, only energy is exchanged with its surrounding and not the matter. For example, water boiled in a closed kettle. Here, only heat is exchanged with air, but not the steam. इसका मतलब क्लोज सिस्टम के अंदर में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एनर्जी एक्सचेंज होती है सराउंडिंग के साथ, मैटर नहीं. Now the third system is an isolated system. In this type, neither heat nor matter is exchanged with its surrounding. For example, thermos flask. The content present in the thermos flask does not exchange heat or matter with the surrounding. Therefore, its temperature and volume remain same for longer time. So आसान शब्दों में आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम वो सिस्टम होता है जिसमें से एनर्जी और मैटर का कोई आदान प्रदान सराउंडिंग के साथ नहीं होगा. Let us now discuss the another topic is thermodynamic process. A thermodynamic process is a process in which thermodynamic state of system is changed. Now you will question me, what is this thermodynamic state? Okay, let me clear it. Any system, it can be represented by its pressure, volume and temperature. Okay, these are called thermodynamic variables. So these three variables describe thermodynamic state of the system. Clear? Now look at this thermodynamic process. Here we have taken water in a kettle. It is heated. So this water may have some temperature, say T1, and pressure P1 and volume V1. So, its initial thermodynamic state is described by these three variables P1, V1 and T1. As the water boils, its thermodynamic variables P1, V1 and T1 will changes to its new value P2, V2 and T2. Thus, thermodynamic state is changed. This process of changing thermodynamic state is called thermodynamic process. तो फ्रेंड्स, थर्मोडायनामिक प्रोसेस के बाद हम देखते हैं हीट को. Let us now see heat and its relation with internal energy of the system. Consider a glass filled with water on a table. Here, the glass along with the water is a system. Don't get confused with early example where we said only water as a system. The scope of system can be extended to any extent. इसका मतलब आप जिसे कंसिडर कर रहे हो वो आपका सिस्टम बन सकता है और रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स सराउंडिंग. It is observed that the temperature of the system and surrounding are not equal. But after some time, these two will be in thermal equilibrium. This thermal equilibrium is achieved due to transfer of heat energy from system to surrounding and vice versa. To understand this concept, let us make some convention. When energy is transferred to a system from its environment, it is positive. We say that system gains, that means absorb energy. When energy is transferred from system to its surrounding, that is environment, it is negative. We say that the system loses or releases energy. Let us go deep with few examples. Before the start, let us suppose that Q with the energy transferred between the system and its environment. And don't forget, the net transfer of heat is always from hot body to cold body. If the temperature of the system is less than that of its environment, then heat will be transferred from surrounding to system, and this time system will gain energy from its environment and hence Q will be positive. If temperature of the system is greater than its environment, then there will be the transfer of heat from system to environment. In that case, system may lose energy, therefore Q will be negative. If temperature of the system and its environment both are equal, then there will be no transfer of heat from system to surrounding and vice versa. In this case, we may say that the system is in thermal equilibrium. From the above discussion, it is clear that heat, which is a form of energy, always transferred from hot body to cold body. दोस्तों, उम्मीद करते हैं आज का विषय आपको समझ में आ गया. आपके विचार आप कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हैं. दोस्तों, अगर इस चैनल पर आप पूरा कोर्स फ्री में पाना चाहते हैं तो बस सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन का बेल आइकॉन जरूर दबाएं. और यदि आपको वीडियो दिल से पसंद आया तो सोशल मीडिया पे अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करना ना भूलें. चलिए दोस्तों, फिर मिलेंगे नए वीडियो में. बाय बाय.